In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Google Form responses in this Google Forms tutorial specifically crafted for beginners. I'm excited to help you navigate through this simple yet essential process, ensuring you can efficiently access all the valuable insights submitted through your forms. To start, we'll begin by heading over to Google Drive. Google Drive is your primary hub for accessing all your Google documents and forms, so fire up your browser and make your way to drive.google.com. Once there, ensure you're logged into the correct Google account where your form is stored. This is crucial as accessing Google Drive with an incorrect account can leave you wondering where your forms have disappeared to. Next, you'll need to locate the Google Apps icon. This is typically found in the top right corner of your screen, represented by a grid of 9 small squares. Clicking on this will open a list of all the available Google Apps. From this menu you should select Forms. If you don't see Forms right away, don't worry, you may need to scroll down slightly or click More to reveal additional apps. Once Forms is visible, go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Google Forms application, you should be able to see all the forms you have created. If you're working with a particularly long list, take advantage of the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific form whose responses you need to view. Simply start typing the name of your form and the list will dynamically filter your forms for you, making it incredibly easy and efficient to locate the correct one. Once you've found and opened your desired form, you'll be taken to the editing interface. At the top of the screen you'll see several tabs including questions and responses. Click on the Responses tab to view the submissions for that form. This section offers a wealth of information displaying each response in a summarized view. From here you can also open the responses in a spreadsheet format for more detailed analysis, giving you the flexibility to manage and interpret your data effectively. And there you have it, you've now successfully accessed your Google Form responses. Remember, getting familiar with how to pull these insights is key to taking effective actions based on the feedback or data collected via your forms. If you're handling a larger volume of responses, consider using the spreadsheet export option to keep your data organized and accessible for deeper dives and sharing with your team. That wraps up today's tutorial on viewing Google Form responses. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and are now ready to explore the responses to your Google Forms with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials